Welcome to the An English Coffee Office. Today is Thursday, June 12, and like every morning, David and Alex are at the coffee machine.
Hey Alex, how's it going today?
Hi David, I'm good, thanks. How about you?
Not bad, not bad. Just need this coffee to wake up.
I know, right? Coffee is my best friend in the morning.
Same here. So did you hear about the big news with the US and China?
Yeah, I saw something about trade talks. What's the deal?
They're trying to ease trade tensions. I read that they have a new plan to work things out.
That's good to hear. Less tension means better business for everyone.
Exactly. Maybe my sales numbers will go up with cheaper stuff to sell.
True. It could help with project costs too.
Fingers crossed. Less stress for us, right?
For sure. We'll see how it plays out.
Hey, speaking of stress, did you see the news about technology today?
No, what's happening? Something big?
Yeah. There's a lot of talk about AI and new tools. Companies are using it more for work.
Oh, I'm not surprised. AI can help with so many tasks.
True, but I'm worried it might take over my job. Huh.
Don't worry, David. We still need people to talk to clients.
Good point. But it's crazy how fast tech is moving.
It is. I think it's exciting, though. New ways to manage projects?
Yeah, as long as I don't have to learn too much new stuff, I'm already busy.
I get it. We'll learn together if we need to.
Deal. Hey, did you hear about that beauty contest news?
No, what's that about? Something fun?
Yeah, the Miss World 2025 was crowned. It's a lady from Thailand.
Oh, nice. That must be a big deal for her.
For sure, but there's some drama too. Someone said the contest isn't fair.
Really? What did they say?
One contestant said they felt used, like the organizers didn't treat them right.
That's sad to hear. It should be a happy event for everyone.
Yeah, it's a shame. I hope they fix it for next time.
Me too. These events can inspire a lot of people.
True. Hey, it's like office drama. There's always something.
You're right. Never a dull moment.
Speaking of that, how's your day looking? Got a lot on your plate?
Yeah. I'm pretty busy. I have a meeting in 10 minutes.
Same here. Got to call some clients soon.
Always something to do. But it keeps us going, right?
Yeah, no rest for us. Well, I better get moving.
Me too. Have a good day, David.
You too, Alex. See you later.
See you at the coffee machine tomorrow.
You bet. Take care.
Time to get to work. Don't forget to subscribe and practice your English every day. You'll see how it just keeps getting better and better. See you tomorrow. Hope you have a fantastic day.